There is a trick to make your car quiet. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a car, and if you want to make your car quiet on the inside, quieter, you want to practically insulate it and remove the road noise. Stay with us, we'll explain how you can do that guys. What's the difference between most luxurious vehicles and non-luxurious vehicles guys? It's the amount of insulation that they have and where they have it. Stay with us, we'll explain how we can make your car really quiet, really comfortably feeling, and you will have that luxurious feeling when you drive your car because you'll be super quiet and it will not make your head to explode being on a road trip. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly adding new cars, we're constantly working on something new. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission here at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys want to see where to buy cheap tools, parts, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on this BMW guys right here now. We want to show you, if you remove the door panel guys on your car, okay, often you will notice that you will have, okay, empty metal right here. That empty panel guys, you may have only a little bit, a piece of insulation that's supposed to catch the vibrations when you close the door, so your door doesn't vibrate like you close the empty barrel, okay? But now the luxury vehicles and higher end vehicles, they often have insulated doors, and we insulated ours towards right here, you can see, and that insulation guys will remove heat, cold, it will remove road noise as well. This is a really good insulation. You can buy all kinds of insulation they sell. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, and we're going to apply it. Another thing guys, stay with us, we'll show you how to apply it, but here when you're done you have special insulation. We're talking about that insulation. Never break it. If you break it, fix it, replace it, because this is super important. If that insulation has been broken, and I'm not exaggerating, but 8 out of 10 cars that had speakers, window regulators removed, replaced, window motors, people will just break that insulation. Later you hear road noise, you get hot, cold inside the car, and it will be terrible. So make sure that this one is not broken too. So we pre-cut ours, okay, it's right here, and we're going to go ahead and install it now. So we got our piece here guys, you can see, and now we're going to install it, and we want to show you the difference before and after. Stay with us, and we're going to cover that today. You can see we're going to make sure that actually the panels are clean, dust free. You can use isopropyl alcohol, that's the rubbing pharmacy grade alcohol. Clean everything and then align it, and you're going to stick it there. You can see just like that. You stick it like that. This is the isopropyl alcohol that you can use to clean the panels on the inside, so everything can stick really good and easy. Now you gotta make sure that you rub it good and make sure that, okay, you apply it, okay, everywhere. Perfect, and we're going to see the difference now. So let me go now and check what do we have here. I want to show you the difference guys. We applied it, so listen now to the door. Okay, it's that dead sound, okay, it's not vibrating, it's really quiet even when you knock on it. And if I come to the rear door, listen how loud that thing is. It's like that hollow sound. This one, it's like it's full of something. Okay, way better guys. That will reduce your road noise significantly. Apply to door panels, under the door panels, on the doors, on the trunk, especially if you have a hatchback. You can remove the carpet, do that too, but that's a big job. And if you do it under the headliner, you're going to notice a big difference summertime too, because the headliner, okay, your car tends to get really hot. Because you have minimum insulation there. If you have insulation there, the car will be really cool in the summer too. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you can insulate your car really easily. For instance, that Dodge has minimal insulation right here, and if I go, you can see how it vibrates. You can even feel it, like it's like a hollow box metal box of cookies and you go on it, it's a big difference, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing to do something like that. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll put links where you can buy installation from. Thank you for watching. See you next time.